Thanks.
Yeah. Oh.
Cool, yeah.
Is he really going out there?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
He's out there now. If he hugs him.
I swear to God. Oh, he said go out there with him.
He's there right there.
Go.
Come here. So you can see.
I can look.
What?
I said I'm looking right now.
He looked in the window and he was like,
Holy shit.
he's still here.
You still there?
He's counting money.